Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a bar chart showing both values and percentage of total in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you want to display not just the raw numbers, but also how each category contributes to the overall total, giving you a more complete picture of your data at a glance. First, open your Power BI application and make sure you have your dataset loaded and ready to go. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen and click on New Measure. This is where we'll create a custom calculation that will help us display both the actual values and the percentage breakdown on our chart. When you click New Measure, you'll notice that a formula bar appears with some default content in it. Go ahead and delete all of that content so you have a clean slate to work with. Now, I have a sample formula prepared for this tutorial, so feel free to pause the video at this point if you need time to copy it down. Once you've got the formula, paste it directly into the field and hit the Enter key to confirm. This measure will calculate the percentage of total for each value in your dataset. Now that your measure is ready, shift your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the Visualizations panel. This is where all the chart types are displayed. Click on the bar chart icon to add a bar chart to your report canvas. You'll see an empty chart appear, and now we need to populate it with data. For this example, drag the discount band field onto the y-axis. This will set up the categories you want to display vertically on your chart. Next, drag the sales field onto the x-axis. This will determine the length of each bar based on the sales values. Now, to make your chart more informative, click on the Format Your Visuals icon within the Visualizations panel. This icon usually looks like a paint roller and opens up all the formatting options for your chart. Look for the section labeled Data Labels and click the toggle button beside it to turn it on. Enabling data labels will display the values directly on your bars, making it easy to read at a glance. Now comes the part where we add the percentage. Still inside the Data Labels section, find the option labeled Value and click it. This will expand additional options underneath. Click the field under it, and you'll see sums of sales listed. From this menu, choose Sales Label, which is the custom measure we created earlier. And that's it. Your bar chart now displays both the actual sales values and the percentage of total for each category. This dual display makes your data far more insightful and easier to interpret for anyone viewing your report. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.